Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2013 GMC Terrain, and in this video I will show you the starter fuse and relay location. This video applies to GMC Terrains made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Both the starter fuse and the relay are located in the main fuse box under the front hood. Right here. Now to lift this cover you will have two black clips, one here on the right side and one on the opposite side. So what you want to do, you want to press this clip together like this and lift up, and you do the same on the other one, and that way you'll be able to remove the cover. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, which can also be quite handy. Starter fuse is fuse number 9, and it is a 30 amp fuse located right here in the middle of the fuse box. So this is your starter fuse. The starter relay is located just below it right here. Now if you suspect the relay is bad, you can always try to replace it with one of these two and see if it makes any difference. If it does, just buy a new relay. They usually cost a few dollars, and that will fix your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.